Upbeat music plays as the scene opens with a vibrant backdrop featuring both cameras on display. Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions, one gadget at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, and trust me, it's going to be a wild ride. On my left, we have the heavy hitter, the Sony α7 IV, the camera that makes you question if you really need to eat ramen for the next month. And on my right, the Canon EOS R10, the budget-friendly pal that makes you think, hey, I can splurge on that fancy coffee after all. So grab your popcorn, because we're about to compare these two beasts across several categories. Let's see which one deserves a spot in your camera bag or your heart. First up, the price. The Sony α7 IV comes in at a whopping $2,499. That's right, folks, you could either invest in this camera or fund a small country's worth of tacos. Now, the Canon EOS R10 is a much more wallet-friendly $1,099. That's like finding a $20 bill in your pocket right before you go grocery shopping. Reviewers have noted that while the α7 IV is an investment, the R10 offers great performance for its price, making it a fantastic choice for beginners and those on a budget. All right, let's talk image quality. The α7 IV features a 33 megapixels full-frame XMOR sensor that's so good it could probably take better selfies than you. It also boasts an 8x more powerful BIONZ-XR image processing engine. Reviewers have praised its high-quality photos and videos, noting improvements in autofocus speed and sensor stabilization. On the flip side, the R10 has a 24.2 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor. While it's no slouch, it's like trying to keep up with a cheetah on a bicycle. Reviewers have highlighted its excellent image quality, especially for a camera in its price range, making it a solid choice for beginners. Now let's roll into video capabilities. The α7 IV can shoot 4K 60p, 10-bit 4:2 with full pixel readout. That's a fancy way of saying your videos are about to look so good, your friends will start suspecting you're a Hollywood director. Reviewers have noted its ability to record high-quality video, although some mentioned it tends to overheat. Meanwhile, the R10 can shoot 4K video too, but it's more like a kid's first attempt at a school play. Reviewers appreciate its video capabilities, but they also mention it's not as advanced as the α7 IV. Next up, autofocus. The α7 IV has a focus system so advanced, it could probably follow your ex around a party and capture every awkward moment. Reviewers rave about its fast and responsive autofocus, especially in challenging conditions. The R10 is no slouch either, with smart and speedy autofocus that keeps your subjects in crystal clear focus. However, some users felt it could be a bit slower compared to the α7 IV, particularly in low light. Overall, both cameras provide solid autofocus, but the α7 IV stands out as the more advanced option. Finally, let's talk about size and portability. The α7 IV is like that friend who always brings too much luggage on a weekend trip. It's great, but you might need a bigger car. Reviewers mention it's bulkier than previous models, which could be a drawback for some. On the other hand, the R10 is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for those spontaneous adventures. Like when you decide to chase after that ice cream truck that's just too cute to resist. Users appreciate its portability and ease of use, especially for a first-time camera. In summary, the Sony α7 IV is a powerhouse that excels in image quality, video capabilities, and autofocus, making it a great choice for serious photographers and videographers. However, its price point is a significant consideration. The Canon EOS R10, while not as advanced, offers excellent performance at a more accessible price, making it ideal for beginners and casual users. Both have their strengths, and the choice ultimately depends on your needs and budget. So there you have it, folks. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is a powerhouse that will make your wallet cry, while the Canon EOS R10 is like that reliable friend who's always down for a fun time without breaking the bank. Ultimately, it all boils down to your needs and budget. If you're a serious photographer or videographer, the Alpha 7 IV might be worth the investment. But if you're just starting out or want something more portable, then the R10 is a solid choice. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this comparison helpful, and subscribe for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep buying smart, and may your camera always be ready for that perfect shot. Product links are in the description.